Alrighty, guys, Tesla is showing an opportunity here soon. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm looking for here for a put side opportunity. But I'm also looking for the inverse. If you guys look at, if you want to be a little safer and not use options and not worry about time decay, you can look at TSLZ. This was mentioned in my Discord, and you can see it's the same thing. When Tesla goes up, this goes down. So, but when Tesla goes down, this goes up. This thing is down 18% at the end of the bell. We were down 16%. It's really good because if Tesla's up, a good bit, this is going to be like double the percentage, right? So I'm looking at Tesla. It is going up a little after hours, just a little. It's almost 1%. But what I'm liking about this play, and when I shorted it before, I look for these kind of patterns where overextensions, right? The bulls get a little too carried away. They think this thing's never going to get shorted, just like on this scenario here, the last time it went up big. Everyone was like, yeah, I would never short Tesla, but yes, this went from 271 to 182. That was a big drop. And I caught that drop based on this system using the TD, the time distance away from this EMA5, making sure we hug this upper band multiple times, and then we get this big fat candle drop right in here, and it just comes tumbling down. Obviously, catching the top is impossible, but we can get very close to it, and if we accumulate properly, you can make massive gains. So, yeah, that's my goal. I kind of want to do the TSLZ. I think that's going to be your safer option. As you can see, we're down 2% on that when we're only up 80.80% on Tesla. So it's going to be much more volatile. So I do like this because if you don't want to play options, this is probably kind of a safer way not to worry about time decay, and then it also can hold it for quite a bit. This is the daily on TSLZ. So what we're looking for is an EMA5, right? We want to make sure we come back up to this EMA5. So if we go back to Tesla, they both have 4 daily candles not touching the EMA5. Now, is that like really long? No. That's why I'm not like really hesitant to get into a short right now. Now, if it does like 6 daily candles, then yeah, or maybe 5, I might look into it. Just depends how far above we are. And I also like to look at the KDJ. The KDJ is 85.44. The last time I shorted this up in here was a 93, 94, 94 area. So I really like that area. But I mean, even from this top here, it made a pretty good move here. I mean, look at this. Tesla went up to 358, and it dropped a good bit to 336. Lost about $22 right there in a blink of an eye. So this thing can get going down. Plus would have made money today just on that alone. I would have definitely taken that gain. 358 and then drops to 336. Not too shabby. But for a swing trade, I'm looking for a swing trade. I want to hold this overnight. So when you look at the option chain, what I'd be looking to if I wanted to do options, I'm a more safer player. I could do 67 or maybe 102 days out. Depends on your account. 21 February, your chances of winning is really good at this case. But if you do 21 Feb and then one in the money, I mean, but look how expensive this is. $43 for the ass. I would do one in the money. That's why I'm saying you're better off just buying the shares. If you want to just do that, just do TSLZ. This one right here is the inverse. If Tesla goes down, this goes up big. And if we look at the EMA5 from this low here, that's a 52% gain to that EMA5. So do keep that in mind. There's great potential to that. So we're going to be looking at this. I would love for Tesla to actually keep going up. I'm not going to lie. I don't think it can go. I can see it plummeting down really fast. But for my scenario, since I want to wait that 5 to 6 daily candles, I wouldn't mind if it goes up a little, and then I'll accumulate, and we'll see this thing go down fast. So that's analysis. A lot of people are like, well, yeah, Tesla's going up. You must be like getting wrecked. No, no. I'm just waiting it out. If you guys watched my previous video, you'd be seeing that I want it to actually go up. I wouldn't buy it up in here because I've seen many times where it just goes plummeting down, right? It doesn't have to do this big kind of scenario. I've seen it get close and then plummet down. I've seen it, do that multiple times. Like, this right here, it could be a scenario we have, right? We leave this EMA5 here. You see how we go above here like 4 daily candles, and then we go down, and then we go back up, and then we go all the way back down. That's what I want to do because the one thing that is for certain in this market is the reversion to the mean. We will touch this EMA5, right? That EMA 5 is definitely something we will touch. The EMA 10 is going to take a little longer term. But if I'm looking at that short-term EMA 5, and like I said, there's massive money to be made, that TSLZ is your inverse, 2 times inverse. You can make a 50% return on this. Look at this, 51%. Of course, this EMA 5 is going to fluctuate down. It's going to fluctuate down a good bit. So I'd be looking, probably tomorrow. I'll give it 1 or 2 daily candles left, and then I'll be looking for that retest there. I think this is a very good setup. I think being a bull on the short term on Tesla, if you're just now getting in, just really doesn't. I just don't like the risk versus reward at that point. I mean, you could get in right here, and it's just like, yeah, I mean, you probably get another 3-4%, but you're also risking this going down just to the EMA 5, a 13-14%, to the EMA 10 is a 19, and then EMA 20 is a 25% down move. That's if it does go down. Now, where would I look to buy? Yeah, I would do a buy position on this EMA 20, have a stop loss just under the 20, maybe like a 5% stop loss, and it will look like this. That way, if it does go under this much, then I'd be like, okay, maybe it is starting a downtrend. And we've seen Tesla do that many times where we go all the way up. Like I said, the last time I bought puts here, I actually did buy puts because I wanted to make mass money, and it went tumbling down. Everyone doubted me, and what happened is we just went going down and down and down and down, and then we started going up. Obviously, Tesla's a good long-term hold, so I rather hold it long-term, and I rather short it short-term. So let's be patient on this. I do see a great setup presenting. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying a big correction is going to happen. I'm not saying I'm shorting it right now, but you will know in the Discord when you go to my thing, hit swing trade alerts, you will see right in here when I post when I enter the Tesla. I will go in Tesla puts, Tesla short, but mainly what I'm looking in is TSLZ. TSLZ is your inverse. When Tesla goes down, this goes up. So this is more of a safer thing where I can accumulate a lot of these shares, and then when it goes up, I make bank. So that's what I'm looking for. Give it 1 to 2 more daily candles. I want to see 1 to 2 daily candles. Right now, we hugged this lower band for about 2 daily candles on Tesla. You see, yeah, it's about 2 daily candles. I'd like to see like 3 to 4 daily candles hugging it. 2 more daily candles hugging it is my best setup. I'll definitely get in then. But there's always another opportunities. I'm in some other stocks that are really good setups. I don't mind waiting on this and then put bigger money into the other setups that I am in. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to be a part of a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and that will give you access to everything. Swing trades, day trades for an all-time low cost, $12 a month. And if you hit server shop, you can read about them. But they're only $12 a month. Subscribe on a computer. You'll avoid the iOS fee. It's the best way to do it. And you'll have access to all these. And the main thing about this is to teach you guys how to trade. The day trading education, watch all these. You'll get access to that. And I mean, it's crazy as this sounds, but one of the day trade alerts we did was just SPY puts. This went up over 100% based on this day trading strategy that I use. I use trend reversal and follow the trend. And then the swing traded education, there's lots of things to watch here. I'm looking to group it all into one, but there's a couple videos that are very good. This video will get your indicator set up on how I look for overextension patterns, because that's the main thing on my channel. I like to look for when Tesla goes up big, then I want to look for the opposite direction of what retail traders do. And then when Tesla goes down big, I like to buy it based on where we're at on this band here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you in the Discord. Thank you so much, and peace out.